Hello guys, welcome back to qisaqtech. In this video, I want to explain you how to make YouTube channel art fit for all devices. You can do this in any software like as Adobe Photoshop or Canva. You just go to search engine like as Google and search Wati banner template, and you can use any of these template, download it and use as it is. And also you can use Capwing software. It is online and easy to use. In Capwing, with its free plan, you can write text, you can add background and all the things as you do in Canva free version. In Photoshop or Canva, you need to upload the downloaded template into the software and use the templates of all devices area. In Photoshop or Canva, you need to decrease the opacity of the background and it look like this. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to qisaqtech and don't forget to share and hit the like button.